Ever wondered how a simple countdown can create urgency and drive more conversions? Let's dive into how Magento 2 Countdown extension can do just that. Magento 2 Countdown extension is a tool for e-commerce stores. It displays a countdown timer on product and promotion pages. You can configure it easily in the back end of Magento. The countdown creates urgency. It encourages faster decisions by customers. Perfect for flash sales, product launches, and seasonal deals. You can customize the timer's design, placement, and duration. Schedule it for specific products or categories. It's a great way to increase engagement and boost conversions. There are several top providers. Each offers unique features to help your store succeed. Magazento's extension lets you create multiple countdown timers. You can add timers to any product or store page. It comes with 10 stunning templates and full responsiveness. Pricing starts at $149 for Community Edition. Amisty's extension helps boost sales. You can design catchy countdowns with pre-made templates. Manage all timers in one grid. It starts at $119 for Community Edition. Milipile focuses on creating urgency and driving conversions. It offers pre-built templates and supports dynamic timers. You can schedule timers for specific products. Pricing begins at $50 for Community Edition. Plum Rocket's extension is ideal for flash sales. You can schedule events with an easy-to-use timeline. It's priced at $249 for 12 months. Mage Plaza offers a flexible and effective timer solution. It supports APIs, GraphQL, and provides customizable templates. Starts at $99 for Community Edition. Now, how do you know if the extension is working? Here are 5 key metrics to track. Compare conversion rates before and after using the extension. Use Magento Analytics or third-party tools. Check if the countdown increases sales for featured products. Use Magento's reporting tools for this data. Track product views, clicks, and add to cart actions. Use heat maps and Magento's customer reports. See if customers are buying more during countdown promotions. Compare AOV during countdown events and regular periods. Measure whether countdowns reduce cart abandonment. Check cart reports and use third-party abandonment trackers. Let's cover some common problems you may encounter. Check if the extension is properly installed and activated. Ensure the countdown is enabled for the product or category. Clear Magento's cache and re-index data. Check your store's time zone settings. Make sure the countdown times are accurate in the extension. Adjust the timer's CSS for proper alignment. You may need to edit your theme's style sheet to fix layout issues. Optimize the countdown script to reduce server load. Limit the number of active timers and enable caching. Ensure JavaScript is functioning correctly. Use Ajax for real-time updates without page reloads. Make sure to check out the right provider and optimize for the best results. Like, subscribe, and share for more e-commerce tips.